Okay, so everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can repair damaged thread by using a thread insert, or what others call as a helicoil. Now, this set is very cheap. They come in all sizes and lengths depending upon your needs. I bought this for maybe 200-300 pesos. That's roughly about uh, $4-6. Now I need to do this repair. As you can see, the thread there is already loose, or is already gone, as opposed to here, you see, is still very pronounced. Now this hole, okay, this is supposed to hold the bolt that holds the cover, timing belt cover in place. So it's supposed to take an M6 by 1 bolt, and as you can see, I can just push that in because the thread is gone. Now this is an M6 by 1 bolt, so we need to find a thread insert that will fit this bolt, as well as the length should fit the inside of the thread that we need to insert this in. So I would say that is perfect. So we need to measure this, and the width is a little over just 7 mm. Okay, so we need to use a top that is also 7 by 1 mm. Okay, this is very important, that the thread pitch should also be 1 mm, and we'll verify that with our thread gauge. Okay, so you see, hope you can see that 1 mm. Okay, 1.0. Now we need to drill this hole to 6 mm. Okay, very important, the hole that we're going to drill should not be bigger than this thread insert. Okay, otherwise we won't be able to put thread in here if we're going to drill this to 7 mm. So only 6 mm, we're only going to drill out those loose thread that is already in there. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, this is an M6 thread. You see that is smaller than this width. Okay, and that is important because you can see this is our top, a 7 mm top, and the bit that we should use must be smaller than this top. Okay, very important. So now let's see if we can use this drill here, and that's not gonna fit there. Let's try here. Let's put this aside, and let's see. Okay, and I do believe we've got enough space. Let me try to drill that out. Okay, so let's stop in new threads, 7 by 1 mm. It's already cutting through. We're almost through, and there's our thread. Okay, that's it. Okay, now remove this. Let me try to insert our thread insert using this Schrader valve tool, and let's see. And it's not going through. Almost. We need to make the thread a little bigger, just a little bit. You see, the problem is, if I'm going to use an M8 by 1 top, this is an M8 by 1 top, you see it's far bigger than the thread insert, and just a little bit smaller than the 7 by 1 top. So let me just make the thread just a little bit bigger. Okay, let's try. Now, going to insert this again. Just show you a better look. Okay, once we get to insert this, we need to break that tab off just by pushing this. Okay, let's see, and there it goes. and I'll push that out, and that broke the tab off. Okay, so here's the tab that broke off. Okay, so now let's try to fit our M6 by 1 bolt, and it fits in there. A little bit tight, but that's actually far better than too loose. Let's try. And as you can see, we've got our new threads in using a thread insert or a helicoil. So that's how it is. We've got new threads on there. Now we would be able to tighten back our timing belt cover. Now I suppose you can just use a nut on this other side, but I prefer this method. So I'll give you a much more closer look of our thread insert. Hope you can see that. See, this thread insert, and this has no thread insert. Come on, focus. See, again, thread insert. Now, you know, unfortunately, that's how it is when you're working with nuts and bolts. Shit happens. Fortunately, it's this one that got loose thread and not that one, because if that is the one that we need to fix, then we're not going to be able to fit a drill through there. Then we must take out the radiator first in order for us to fit a drill through there. So anyway, I do believe that's it. That's all that there is to show for this video. I'm in the process of making a video on why timing belts break, so stay tuned for that. But for this video, I'm going to end it here. I hope you like this video. If you do, let me know in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, like, share, subscribe if you want to. Okay? Only if you want to. And as always, thank you for watching, and may you have a happy new year.